The OLE, Outstanding Leadership in Education programme, is a programme that's facilitated here in the North Wales OLEVI Centre of Excellence. That is a partnership between Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy, Ysgol y Creuddyn and Ysgol Glan Clwyd. During the programme, middle leaders get an opportunity to develop their leadership skills. That through reflection on practice, through coaching and also from sharing ideas. And they also get opportunities between sessions during this programme, which is over a period of time, to participate in activities back in the educational setting. Now, this was endorsed by the Academi, and certainly I would recommend that to anybody thinking about doing this. It has brought plenty of opportunities for us as a centre, and also made sure that we are available on the website by the Academi for other practitioners to see.